Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is M.Yaseen, Edwrdes College, Peshawar, Pakistan. Dear students, today we will start exercise 6.1 related to plane analytic geometry. Question number 1, part 1. Statement of the question is that find the length of the point. Length means find the distance between two points. D stand for distance. And the points in this case are given. P is -3, -5, and in this case Q is given. Q is -3 and -7. These are the following 2 points, and the statement of the question is that find the length of these points. By using distance formula, we know that the distance between 2 points PQ absolute, this one is equal to, formula is that x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Putting the values, in this case x1 is -3, y1 is -5, x2 is -3, y2 is -7. So x2 minus 3, x1 in this case is -3, so minus and minus, this is +3 whole square plus y2 in this case is -7, y1 is -5, so minus minus plus 5 whole square. After simplification, we have -3 plus -3 cancel 0, so there is -7 plus 2, this is -2 whole square, and this -2 square, this is 4. So the distance between 2 points is 2 units. This is the answer. This is the length between 2 points. Next one. Dear student, the next question is question number 2. Show that AB absolute plus BC absolute, this is equal to AC, and the following are the points. Draw the points on the plane. Roughly sketch. For example, the first one point is on x-axis -1, so there is -1. On y-axis 3 units, so 1 2 3, so there is a point A. And on x-axis 2 units, 1 2. On y-axis +1, so there is another point, say point B. On x-axis is 5 units, so 5 units mean 1 2 3, so 2 plus 3 5 units. And on y-axis negative side, so this is -1, and this point is C. So join these point, and we will see in this case clearly the points are also collinear because lie on the same line, and we have already discussed, if points are collinear, then the distance of AB plus BC is equal to AC. So after simplification, we have the following results. AB mean the distance between 2 points, which is 2 x2, which is 2, minus x1, so minus minus plus 1 whole square, plus y2 is 1 minus y1, this is -3 whole square, So this is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 square is 9, plus 1 minus 3 2, minus 2 square, this is 4, and this is equal to under root 13. Similarly, we find BC and AC. So dear student, after simplification, we have the distance AB is under root 13 units, and the distance of BC. So using the formula, and after simplification we have this is under root 13, and similarly the distance of AC is 2 time of under root 13. It is very simple and quite obvious. So by using equation 1, 2 and equation 3, we have the following result: AB plus BC. AB is equal to under root 13 and BC under root 13. This is 1 plus 1, 2 time of under root 13, and which is equal to AC. It means that AB plus BC distance is equal to AC distance, hence proved. It means that points are collinear in this case, and clearly ABC lie on the same line. Next question. Dear student, the next question, question number 3 is: show A, B, C, D are the vertices of a square, and the following are the vertices A, B, C, D. In this case, first of all, we will draw the points. On x-axis, how many units are there? 0 units. It means that no movement. On y-axis, there is -1, -2. So the first point A is here. Next, on x-axis is 3 units, on y-axis is 1 unit. It means that the point B is here. So join AB, we have a line. It means that side of a square. And the next is on x-axis 3 units, and on x-axis 0 units, no movement. On y-axis there is 4 units. It means that 1 2 3, and there is on y-axis. So on y-axis we move 1 2 3 and 4. It means that there is a point C. So join B with C, we have another side of a square. Similarly, on x-axis -3, it means that -1 -2 and -3 is there. But on y-axis, how many units are there? +1. So this is point D. So join C with D and join A with D. Clearly it is look like a square, but we have to prove the length of the AB must be equal to BC, DC and AD, and also plus in this case the diagonal of the square must be equal. So we have to find there are two diagonal. One diagonal is this one, diagonal number 1, and another diagonal is also there, and this one diagonal. It means that we have to find the length of AC and length of BD. It must be equal because it is a square, and in case of square the length of the diagonal are also same. So let's start. We find first of all proof AB by using distance formula, and the distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 5 minus minus, this is plus 2 whole square. After simplification, 3 square is 9, 1 plus 2, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 9, this is equal to 18. Next one is AB. So BC, it means that distance between BC. So x2 is 0, 0 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1. After simplification, we have 3 square is 9, 4 minus 1 3, and 3 square is 9. It means that 9 plus 9, this is also. Similarly we find the other 4 length other is DC length and AD length and BD length and AC length. So we proceed as further. So dear, after simplification and finding the length of all 4 sides of a square and the length of the diagonals, clearly under root 18, under root 18, under root 18 and under root 18, the length of the sides of a square, in each case the length is under root 18. It means that it is a square, but plus the length of diagonal also matter in this case, because similar case is for the rhombus, these all sides having equal length, but in case of rhombus one diagonal is greater and one is small. So we have to find the diagonal length, which is BD and BD and AC. It is also 6 6 same. So it means that A, B, C, D are the vertices of a square. Dear student, the next question is question number 4 after 3 is very simple. Try yourself, show that the points are the vertices of a right angle triangle. It means that idea is that find the length of 3 sides and the length of the sum of 2 sides square must be equal to the third one square. So try yourself, but question number 4, the points ABC are not the vertices of a right angle triangle. You should try yourself. Question number 5 is same as question 3, show that ABCD are the vertices of a rectangle. Similar situation is there, and so try yourself. Question number 6, show that ABC form isosceles triangle. Also mean two length of the triangle must be same. So in this case ABC are given, we have to find the 3 length and their 2 length must be equal. So in this case we prove find AB using formula distance between 2 point AB 3 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 1 minus y1 is minus 3. So after simplification 3 minus 1 is minus 1 minus 1 square plus 1, and 1 minus 3 is minus 2 minus 2 square is 4, and after simplification this is under root 5. Now we find BC. Again using distance formula, x2 is 1, x1 is minus 3 whole square plus y2 2, y1 is 1 whole square. After simplification we having 1 minus 3 is 2, 2 square is 4, and 2 minus 1, 1 square is 1, and this is under root 5. This implies that AB length is equal to BC length, because both have length under root 5 unit. It means that the length of the two sides of a triangle are same. So ABC form isosceles triangle. So it is the complete proof of question number 6. Question number 8, find the midpoint of P and Q. So in this is x1 is y1, x2 y2. We have already discussed in the theory how to find the midpoint. So simple midpoint formula is there. Putting the value of x1 is 10, x2 is minus 12 divided by 2. Similarly y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we have minus 1 and 6 is the midpoint of P and Q. Question number 9, find ratio coordinates for the points PQ. If the ratio is given like in these points, divide P and Q's in such a way 5:7. In this case this is M and this is N. So simply here is M is 5, so put M5, and x2 is in this case 3 plus n is 7, x1 is 1, m plus n, it means 5 plus 7. So putting the value, we have following ratio. So dear students, after putting the value of m and n and x2, y2, x1, y1, we have solved, and after simplification the ratio coordinates are there, x by 6 and 17 by 6. The next question, question number 12. First of all, we will solve easy question, then we move from easy to complex. Question number 7 and question 10, 11. First we solve question 12, which is the last question of 6.1, but we will must do question 7 and another remaining question. Question number 12, find the centroid of a triangle. And you know that we already discussed that the centroid of a triangle formula is centroid cxy. This is x1 plus x2 x3, the sum of the abscissas coordinates, and y1 y2 and y3, and putting the values in this formula, we have the following centroids of the. So dear student, these are the centroid of the triangle which having the coordinates vertices a b c, 7 by 3 comma 7 by 3, by using this formula. Inshallah, next time we will do question number 7 and question number 11 and other question we will solve. So it is all about these question. So very thank you very much, and to be continued. Allah Hafiz.